channel. Hope you all are doing well. Also, today's topic is going to be about winter outfits. I know it's a little late, but it's okay. It's not too hot yet, so we can wear these outfits. These are appropriate for this weather. Like, it's not too cold, not too hot. You can wear this. So these are going to be little aesthetic with layering. So do watch this whole video and let's begin. And before that, if you are new to my channel, thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel for styling, DIY, fashion, travel videos. And don't forget to hit that like button. Let's start. For the first outfit, I am layering my grey full sleeves t-shirt with poncho. Now this poncho I have DIY'd. Do watch my previous video for this. Also adding a belt to give structure to my outfit. I have paired this with hoop earrings and sneakers to complete the look. For the second outfit, I am wearing shirt and layered it with a sweatshirt. This will keep me warm. I am folding the sleeves to give it more casual look. Also the sweatshirt was long, so I tucked it in and added a sling bag with sneakers and I am ready to go. For the third look, again I am wearing shirt and layered it with sweater this time. I have buttoned the sleeves of shirt and paired it with white sneakers. For hairstyle, I am merging butterfly clips and this looks so cute. For the fourth outfit, I am wearing a button-up sweater with loose jeans and white sneakers. Also added some accessories like chain, pearl earrings and tic-tac clips. This looks so aesthetic, and added a yellow sling for more pop of colors. Thank you for watching this whole video. Let me know in the comments which look was your favorite, and if you haven't liked yet, please do hit that like button and stay tuned because there's going to be a special video on Monday for Republic Day. It's going to be food related something, so stay tuned. Take care, stay home, stay safe. We'll meet you Monday. Bye.